Hello there, how are you today? In our lesson today, we're going to be explaining an artificial intelligence tool that can actually help you build your step-by-step guides to people around. So let's imagine that you have to explain something to students to show them a way to do something rather than taking screenshots and making a very long presentation to show them how. You can let the artificial intelligence tool do all of this for you by one click. Let's get introduced to Scribe.
So first of all, this AI feature is called Scribe. So I'm going to go to a new tab and go to Scribe website. Okay. Once I write Scribe on Google, we will get many options, and this is it. Scribe How. I'm going to click on it to open the first page, and of course you have to have an account. Okay. It already took me inside my account. This is my account over here. In order to create a step-by-step guide, you have to start a new one. Once you start a new one, you can say capture a scribe. Once you click capture a scribe, it's gonna ask you to select a tab to get started. So I'm gonna start working on a new tab, and my scribe is gonna start working now. So it's capturing my browser. Let's get started. Good. So let's imagine I want to prepare a step-by-step guide to how to save a new image. Inside it, I'm going to go with write flower images. Okay. Once I search for flower images, let's imagine I want to download a specific image. I can go to the image itself by clicking on it, and then you can right click on the image and go with save image as, and pick the folder where you want your image to be saved. Name it, for example, as flowers, and click save. So that's it for my steps. So after I did my steps, the image is saved now, and I already finished. I can go by clicking on this button over here, show controls, and click on complete capture. That's it. So it already finished capturing and recording my slide. Now let's see what did it prepare for us. Okay, good. So first of all, it said navigate to Google and click the search field over here, type flower images and click images, go select an image, right click on the image, and so on. So as you guys can see, it already wrote the steps and took screenshots for me. This is nice. Of course, you have to do some adjustments by adding a title, by completing the steps, or so on. But it actually is way too faster than preparing this step-by-step guide from the beginning by yourself. You also can copy this link or share this file, or you can only download it and use it, or just copy paste these instructions and images, add them to your presentation, and that will help you do lots of step-by-step guides in minutes. Thank you for watching.